Hey, how you doing, gardener friends? I'm out in a very sunny garden today, and imagine my surprise when I walked by my garlic and saw these babies. That means it's time for garlic scapes in the kitchen. So what the heck are garlic scapes? I'm sure you're thinking that because I thought that myself a couple years ago. Garlic scapes are the flower of the garlic. That's it, nothing more. You've got these fabulous little bulbs that are, well, they're fun. They've got all sorts of little flowers getting ready to pop on out in there. We cut them because we don't want them to bloom. If the garlic puts all of its energy into these things, you don't get the garlic. Easy peasy, right? It only comes out of hard neck variety of garlic. So if you're just growing soft neck, you probably won't see any scapes, okay? It is better to catch them early. I kind of missed the boat. This is a very long one. Sometimes they curl, sometimes they don't, and they just stay kind of straight anyway. These, actually the straight ones, came out of my elephant garlic, which are right here, which actually aren't garlic, they're more of a relative to the leek family. So kind of a fun mix of a allium type plant, I guess. So the theory goes, when you see this pop up in your garlic, and a lot of people say wait until it crosses, cut it out, and then your garlic will start focusing instead of on the flower, but on the bulb, okay, which is where we want. And the theory is, again, wait about 4 weeks after you cut this, and then dig up your bulbs of garlic. It worked pretty well last year. I'm expecting it to work again well this year. Tonight we will be having pasta and homemade lemon herb sausage with our garlic scapes. We're just going to do a rough cut on our garlic scape and put it on in. I may or may not include the flower portion of it. I mean, it's all edible, but I mean, to each their own, and whatever you want to eat, we eat it, you know. You can also grind these up for pesto. You can pickle them. You could pickle them and put them in a Bloody Mary. Ah, there you go. Garlic scapes are not as pungent as garlic, and so you'll want to use a little bit more in order to get some garlic flavor to it. But yeah, you know, chop it up, put it into a saute, chop it up fine, put it in your morning eggs. You can wrap them up in a paper towel, stick them in a plastic bag. They'll keep in the refrigerator for probably 3 weeks. And have fun with them. Put them in anything that you would put chives, green onions, or garlic, or even onion in, and you will enjoy a new way to enjoy that garlic flavor. All right, have some fun. Hey, and remember, in 4 weeks, go try out a bulb of garlic and see how it looks. If it's not that big, leave it in the ground longer. Oh yeah, another way how to tell your garlic is ready to go and be harvested, your foliage is gonna start turning yellow and getting dead. Okay, that will be a very good clue for you that it is time to dig up that garlic. But don't go to town, just pull up one. Check it out, see how nice and big it is. Okay, so I hope that quick little snippet helps you understand garlic scapes and what you can do. Hopefully you go get some out of your garden and you have amazing garlic breath tonight, because I know that's what we're gonna go do with our dinner. And because I always forget, I have help.
Make sure to like and subscribe to the video.
And comment down below if you have any questions, and hit that bell to never miss a video.
He's got it down, doesn't he? See you next time. Okay, try again. What is it?
Subscribe, like, and
I can't do it. They always nag me because I always forget this part. It's subscribe to the channel, and it's like the video, and it's, if you have any questions, come here, bashful boy. If you have any questions, what should you do?
Comment down below, or
Comment down below. And what else? There's something else. Turn on notifications so you don't miss a bit of this.